Okay, so after talking, after you guys talked and stuff, how do you think it went?
I think it went good.
Yeah, I think it went really well.
So, what's some lessons that you kind of taken from this conversation you guys have had?
Um, well, I think Allie kind of really helped me as far as just some tools for maybe engaging some more natural supports in our process. Just by kind of, in her case, she's utilizing some of that personal experience, but just, being personable and maybe like using some examples even from my own life at times as to how some of my family and friends have helped me through some issues. So I thought just kind of that pointer as to just kind of being personable, down to earth, and kind of just handling it as a reciprocal conversation with the families
Mm-hmm.
um, might be useful as far as families being a little bit more open to maybe including, some family and friends and seeing the plus side of that. So I think that would be a useful tip for me going forward.
Awesome. And Allie, what is this? What have you kind of learned with hearing some different stories of some families that we've worked with?
Um, it's really helped me out since I haven't been here that long. I haven't yet seen a family from start to finish, so it was nice to hear some of those stories. So because now I have something to look forward to, when those families finally transition out.
So it seems like a lot of so you've learned some stories to help with the engagement and just help with transitioning out, and you've helped with understanding how you, even though you're still a facilitator, you can still use your story to help with natural supports
Right, just
and
to
everything.
kind of help with that comfortability as far as the families kind of being willing to maybe include some folks.
Okay. Is there anything else that you guys feel that would be something that you would need in addition to our peer-to-peer that I could help with?
I don't think so. I mean, so far, I think that was useful
I think it went
conversation.
well.
You think it went well?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Well, I thank you guys for doing the peer-to-peer. So, Allie, just to kind of finish up our coaching circuit, um, you kind of already did the live video and everything. You've done the behavior rehearsal in our peer-to-peer. At the beginning, when we discussed, how you felt about it, you was at a number 2. You wanted to be between a 7 or an 8. How do you think you're feeling right now?
About a 7.
About a 7? Is there anything that you would need to help you in addition to this goal?
No, I think I've got it pretty well.
I think so too. I mean, you've passed both your, both your live as well as your behavior rehearsal. So I guess it's one of those, like, where do we want to go next in regards to your credentialing? Do you want to do another critical point, or do you want to do the whole engagement?
Probably the whole engagement.
The whole engagement. Okay. So what we can do is we'll set up a PDP regarding the whole engagement and getting that started. Sound good?
Sounds good.